Everyone, chilling in the camper, and I just thought I'd do a video post because I'm seeing them out there, and I think there's some important things that need to be said. We have some horrific things going on in the world, as always. The incidents come and go, but the general plot stays the same. It is the human beings mistreating and killing other human beings. Of course, with the Las Vegas incident, we're going to have gun control talk. I'm not here to talk about gun control. What I'm here to talk about is the real basic problem, and that is the human condition known as cognitive dissonance. And this is because of a lack of what is medically called neuroplasticity in the synapses of the brain. I'm not going to get too sciencey here, okay? But you receive energy through your five senses: your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, and your skin. That's your sense of touch. A little bit of that goes up to your brain and is trapped between two synapses. You put a definition on that, and you have millions of these little definitions in your brain, and that's what you use to define your reality. When the synapses have flexibility, you can easily separate the synapses and delete the definition that you have in that memory. But as you grow older, the synapses grow stiff, and if something has been in your brain long enough, the brain thinks it doesn't need deleted and refuses to delete it by making the synapses stiff. When you try to separate stiff synapses to delete something, and in cognitive dissonance, we're dealing with an issue where, let's say you know you're right, but the other person is angry, saying you're absolutely wrong. This is a biological condition that's causing that reaction. It is not a mental condition. It is stiff synapses, a lack of neuroplasticity. This is cured through cannabis and other natural organisms. You can get supplied neuroplasticity and have what's called an open mind, because your synapses are no longer stiff and you're biologically able to consider a point that you cannot consider without the neuroplasticity. The human condition will never change until we use the plants on this planet to make our bodies as good as we can be. Our brains are carried in that body. They are biological also, and if there is a biological problem, there will be catastrophic consequences, such as Las Vegas, such as everything that you argue about on this planet. It is not a line item discussion. It is one issue: cognitive dissonance. This is the plague of the human race, and we will not evolve as a species until we use the plants on this planet to cure ourselves of these biological handicaps. This is the future of humanity. Using what the Creator put on this planet to be the best you can be, and then listening and talking to each other in compassion and trying to understand. I just had to say that. If you want to know more about this and want to get into the science, go to my webpage, thecommunion.club. I'll teach you all about it. Love you, human race. Love you. Love you always.